Hey y'all. Yeah, I don't show my face very often, but I needed to talk to y'all today. So I'm in a dilemma and I need your help, okay? I put a poll on my community tab. If you're my sweet subscribers, you saw it and you have voted, and it's going back and forth and back and forth and back and forth, and it's not helping me too much, okay? So this is my dilemma. All right. So I have been a influencer on YouTube for 5 years. Come February 7th, it'll be 5 years. All right. DIYing. 2 years into it, I started my, throwing some sewing in there, and I done that because I was asked to show how to sew, introduce machines. I have 100 and something sewing videos in my channel. Okay. But my dilemma is I don't want to stop either one. Okay. I don't want to stop doing DIYs and I don't want to stop sewing. What I've noticed is I'll take Saturday for instance. Saturday, I posted my Sew It Saturday video and it went crazy. I mean, y'all and God showed up and showed out and it did exceptionally well and I am so thankful. But my sewing videos do better than my DIYs, okay? But I know a lot of you are my longtime subscribers from me doing DIYs. I don't want to leave you behind. I don't want to stop doing DIYs. I love DIYing. Besides, I've got too much stuff. What am I going to do with it? And I love sewing. So I gained a significant amount of subscribers from Saturday to now. I had 20,000 plus views on that one video, and I don't know how many comments. And I was so humbled. I was over the moon excited. But it put me in a situation because I've noticed that when I post a sewing video of my sewing room, my tips, tricks, anything like that, it gets a lot of views. And then when I post, and I get subscribers, okay? And then when I post a DIY video through the week, you're gone. And I do not want that to happen, okay? I appreciate every single subscriber that I have, and I appreciate anyone that I get. It helps my channel to grow. I love my subscribers. Y'all are the best of the best. I get the sweetest comments. I have some that are my true friends. You are my true friends. I talk to you. I have you on other forms of social media, and we talk. We know each other's families, and it's incredible. I love it. But in order for me to keep going, I have to satisfy you. And I don't want any more dissatisfied, if that's a word, if that's what you'd call it, subscribers. And I talked to my family and I talked to my daughter this morning. I've talked to some of my people, in the YouTube community that are in groups that we talk in collabs and stuff. And I've been back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. I'm not even gonna lie, about as much as my poll has been up and down and up and down and up and down. I'm just me, okay? I'm just me. I am not a professional DIYer, by no means. I'm not a professional sewer. By the way, when you spell sewer, doesn't it look like sewer? Is that not the same spelling? Or something, I don't know. Just never mind. That's how my brain works. Sorry. Wild tangent. We're back. I lost what I was saying. Okay, because I was thinking about a sewer. Okay. I post DIYs. I'm getting back on track. DIYs through the week. Okay, and my sewing on Saturday. So I don't know if people don't watch my intro or what, but I say that in my intro that I do DIYs through the week and sewing on Saturday. But my daughter said if she signs up for a sewing channel and she's watching sewing and then all of a sudden she sees them make snow cream, or because I do throw a cooking video in once in a while. It's DIY. I'm doing it myself, which is what I thought sewing was, just a form of DIY. But if she was going to a sewing video and they threw up a DIY video of a rustic farmhouse shed or picture or something, shed, I don't know why I said that, she would be like, what did I sign up for? And I understand that. I get that. I truly do. So what I'm asking here, I put up the poll. It's going back and forth. It's not helping me one iota. It is leaning towards keeping the one channel, and they watch my DIYs and then my sewing on Saturday. If you are gonna leave me, okay, if you are a die-hard sewer and can't, now I'm gonna laugh, and can't wait till Saturday, please, please, please don't leave me. Let me know, okay? Because my mindset right now, the conflict is keeping the one channel and keep doing what I'm doing, or start another channel. It has to be fresh. All my 100 videos, I can't swap over. If I swap them over, I lose my views, I lose my comments, and it could be my subscribers. So I have to start fresh, okay? First and foremost, I'll have to start fresh with a sewing channel. So if you are gonna leave and I have no other way but to start another channel, that's fine. I will do it because I understand. Just please let me know. Just comment on this video, okay? Just let me know. I would appreciate it so very much for your help. And I know that you are going to help me because I know my people and you guys are the best, okay? So until next time, I want you to know that I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate you all and your kind comments and your love and your support. I appreciate each and every one of you. Until next time, you are a blessing. Goodbye.